everybody, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today we're going to be making alpaca cookies. So lately I've been seeing the alpaca everywhere. It's like the new animal for 2018. They're really cute, they're really quirky, but I had this idea that I wanted to make some cookies. And when I was doing some research for these, I actually learned the difference between an alpaca and a llama because people get them confused all the time. And these are actually alpacas, and you can tell because their fur is actually fluffier, their faces are a little bit shorter, and they're actually smaller than the llama. So I did get this cookie cutter online, and I'll go ahead and put that in the show notes. And before we get started, I'll let you guys know all the different things that we're going to be using. So I have my pre-made cookies already ready to go. We're going to need buttercream icing. We're going to need a little bit of royal icing. And then you're going to need a lot of nonpareils. So I got a very big bag of them online. I'll also put that in the show notes. I have different food colorings here. So I have black, brown, and I'm going to be using a little bit of powdered pink food coloring, some small fine-tipped paint brushes. Over here I have a bunch of different colors, and you guys can use whatever colors you want to decorate your alpaca with. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So this technique is really fun. So I'm going to start by taking my plain cookie, and I'm going to outline it with buttercream icing and fill it in. Okay, so one thing is when we're outlining, we're going to leave the alpaca's little face unlined for now. We don't want any fur there. And the same thing, we're going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom for its hooves, which I forgot to do over here, so I'm going to wipe it off. So you're going to outline, and we're just going to fill all this in with buttercream. So this is the fun part. We're going to dip it into our nonpareils. And ta-da, we have fur. Okay, so after we give our alpacas fur, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to outline their faces and hooves with a little bit of royal icing. So after you line the alpaca's faces, you are definitely going to want to let that royal icing dry for a bit. So I have some prepared already here that have dried, and we're going to go ahead and start painting on the facial features. So I'm going to use just a little bit of black here. You hardly need any. And I'm just going to paint the eye. little dab for the nose and give him a little smile. I'm gonna paint my hooves in black as well. So after I do the face and hooves in black, I'm going to use a little bit of brown for the detail on the ear. Right, and the last step on the painting details is I'm just going to add a little bit of powdered pink for the cheeks. Give it kind of like a cute color. So you want just very, very little, and you're just going to dab it. This one's from yesterday. I just need a little bit more. Okay, so the final step to our alpacas is we're gonna add just a bunch of different colors for whatever you want the blanket to look like. So I have mixed here 6, so I'm just going to kind of play around with it. So these alpaca cookies turned out super darling, and I think they look so cute. I hope that you guys like the alpaca as much as I do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish decorating the rest of these, and if you guys have any suggestions for some things that you'd like to see me try, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And of course, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.